AI tools are launching every single day. Some can save you hours of work, some can make your content better, and some can even boost your income. Today, we are looking at 5 powerful AI tools you probably have not tried yet. From your personal AI companion, to music generation, to social media insights, to faster video editing. All in one short, simple video. Let's start with the first AI tool of the day. TalkToText is an AI tool that turns your voice into text in real time. You speak and your words appear on the screen as written text. It works well even with normal microphones and everyday background noise. This tool is for people who think faster than they type. It is great for students, content creators, podcasters, and busy professionals. If you take a lot of calls or meetings, this can also help you capture everything without typing. Here is one simple use case. Imagine you are driving or walking and an idea for a YouTube video or a business plan comes to your mind. Instead of trying to type it on your phone, you just open TalkToText, start speaking, and let it capture every idea as clean text. Later, you can edit and organize it into a script, email, or document. Kin is a personal AI companion focused on your life, your feelings, and your privacy. It remembers context and helps you think through your day, your goals, and your relationships. Kin is designed to be private and secure, so your personal data stays protected. This tool is for people who want a thoughtful digital assistant, not just a chatbot. It can help solo entrepreneurs, students, and busy parents plan their days and reflect on their choices. It is also useful if you do not want to share your private life with big public platforms. Here is one simple use case. At the end of the day, you open Kin and tell it what happened. It listens, organizes your thoughts, and suggests what to focus on tomorrow, like work tasks, self-care, or messages you need to send. Over time, it becomes a personal log and guide that understands your patterns. NaVi is an AI music generator that turns your ideas into full music tracks. You describe the style, mood, and tempo in simple words, and it creates original music for you. It can handle many genres, from calm background music to high-energy beats. This tool is for creators who need music but do not make music themselves. It helps YouTubers, short video creators, podcasters, and indie game developers. It is also useful for people who want royalty-free tracks for commercial projects. Here is one simple use case. You are making a tutorial video and you need soft background music that is not copyrighted. You go to NaVi, type something like slow ambient music, light positive, and let it generate a track. You download it and use it safely in your video or podcast. Buzzabout is an AI-powered social media intelligence tool. It reads real conversations across major platforms and turns them into clear insights. It can find trending topics, analyze profiles or pages, and summarize what people are talking about right now. This tool is for brands, marketers, and creators who want to understand their audience. It also helps agencies, founders, and social media managers who need data before making big decisions. Here is one simple use case. Suppose you are planning a new product launch or video series. You use Buzzabout to see what people already say about that topic, what they love, and what they hate. Then you design your content, messaging, or product features using those real insights. Not just guesses.